Welcome back, champions. Another mind-boggling stock news. In this video, you'll get to know the reasons why Artisan Partners Asset Management, APAM, is an ideal stock to invest in. Here are 3 of the most important factors that make the stock of this investment management firm a great growth pick right now. Number 1. Earnings growth. Earnings growth is arguably the most important factor, as stocks exhibiting exceptionally surging profit levels tend to attract the attention of most investors. And for growth investors, double-digit earnings growth is definitely preferable and often an indication of strong prospects and stock price gains for the company under consideration. While the historical EPS growth rate for Artisan Partners is 2.1%, investors should actually focus on the projected growth. The company's EPS is expected to grow 18% this year, crushing the industry average, which calls for EPS growth of 13.5%. Number 2. Impressive asset utilization ratio. Asset utilization ratio, also known as sales to total assets, S/TA ratio, is often overlooked by investors, but it is an important indicator in growth investing. This metric shows how efficiently a firm is utilizing its assets to generate sales. Right now, Artisan Partners has an S/TA ratio of 0.7, which means that the company gets 70 cents in sales for each dollar in assets. Comparing this to the industry average of 0.24, it can be said that the company is more efficient. While the level of efficiency in generating sales matters a lot, so does the sales growth of a company. And Artisan Partners is well positioned from a sales growth perspective too. The company's sales are expected to grow 11.3% this year versus the industry average of 3%. Number 3. Promising earnings estimate revisions. Beyond the metrics outlined above, investors should consider the trend in earnings estimate revisions. A positive trend is a plus here. Empirical research shows that there is a strong correlation between trends in earnings estimate revisions and near-term stock price movements. There have been upward revisions in current year earnings estimates for Artisan Partners. The consensus estimate for the current year has surged 0.9% over the past month. Would you like to invest in this stock? Let us know in the comments.